You see, I'm not moved since. The thing not just, you know, even play bend down pause, so I don't know. The thing in ginger came in, I'm yours still comatose. The thing didn't ginger me on it.
Now the sad thing about Nigerian music with that, when that song first come out, it didn't make sense. That song don't make sense. That bend down pause. Now everybody now they say bend down pause. What's that? What do that song want teach you now?
No.
Eh? Bend down, pause.
Bend
down, pause.
Exercise, exercise. They use
now exercise you they do and you use and do.
They go gym now.
Now exercise you they use and do.
They do. I don't know where your mind is at 8:05 this evening. This
not be my mind. Not my mind. She mean I mean where I want my mind go, not my mind go. Anyway, now good evening and welcome on top of the night show.
You are in control of your mind.
I'm in control of my mind. The devil can't do anything in my mind.
So easy be that you know in control because of the kind of song that he plays.
Easy be not in control of his mind.
So where in mind day?
Not only in one hand, where in mind day. Anyway, now good evening again and welcome on top of the night show for today. Will be the 20th of October 2015. My name is Nitru Anaskoff. All of us don't sit down.
The second Ember month is passing you by.
Momo, the year don't finish.
Okay, I thought November and December.
Next, but
start now to buy your Christmas rice.
That's why they Kaduna for that of Kaduna from November 1. All those studios where they did for streets, they go there, they play. I'm on a clean one. All those people they say cassette where they are we go play. Feliz Navidad. Hey, Feliz Navidad. No, Feliz Navidad. Now so they walk on and do this song, whatever.
That's so. All of us, they sing that time. Go sing from the top of your voice.
But Christmas is sweet that time.
I don't know now. Christmas is sweet. I don't know.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know.
I know say before Christmas.
Yeah, say Christmas is sweet for village pass.
No, you know why they sweet for village? Now because na village, they would expect me those way they city.
Come back. Okay.
Then those who come they city now can't go back. Come the farm.
Then the people when they village go, they prepare their daughters. Say just in case.
So see, most girls when they travel. Some girls now, make an advice on her. From November 1, will be next month. Your boyfriend gonna do something to take for avoid may not give you Christmas money.
Yes, or
see, I take no. Some guys, for example, according to Waiting Brad talk that time, say the guy will just enter house. Now, Ajebo girls now this in the catch. I don't know why. I did be now. Okay, see Ajebo girls own. The guy just enter house like easy be just enter house. What nonsense? I've told you always be locking this door, locking with key. How did you lock it without key? The guy will say, oh baby, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's my fault.
Then the guy, because he say maybe he don't shout too much, you can't calm down. Then she'll come bring food.
Yes.
He say, what do you want? Give me fried egg and plantain. Come bring fried egg and plantain. Then how many eggs do you have left? The guy go say 2. I thought I told you to fry one and keep the other one. Why did you fry this one and you didn't fry the other one? I told you to fry. Say no, but
darling, what's the problem?
I know the particular one I told you to fry. In fact, this relationship is over.
Then she go just fall down, roll on the floor.
Begin cry. But now worry, babe. I told you. Why did you lock this door? No, not be so. Easy, bad guy. You see, don't worry. What you want make I do? I feel like that for you, but wait, after Christmas, I'll kill you. No problem. You dey try dance, Abby. You not go dance. So if your boyfriend begin find trouble from next week Sunday.
So will they give you expo now?
Will they give you expo now? Tell us say it not go work.
Yes.
Everywhere professional gets you collect your Christmas money. Just they laugh. If
him push you, come out, just they laugh. Say, don't worry, don't worry. I keep it in the fridge for you. I will defrost it from January.
Christmas. And I don't remember.
But what be your plan for Christmas? You and
nothing.
Nothing. You go just sit down there for your house sing Felix
Navidad. Christmas praise jam now for a quarter.
Okay, apart from that.
Nothing.
Okay, so that's your major highlight of the day.
No, not be say major highlight. Now work we dey go do now. We has no choose.
Okay, so we are working on Christmas.
We are working on Christmas Day. All of us go there for a quarter.
Easy bit
Christmas. Easy bit go there. Go down there where in day now.
Where in day?
Easy bit go there. Go down there where in day.
Why you go village?
No.
Easy bit fit yours go back village. Yours too.
If Easy go village, anything we can go village, you know see him again. He does they go give him counselorship. You know, see, in people for village now, they watch out for TV now.
Not true.
The mama go speak. Why is that? Why?
Call your.
Now, all the family members don't gather together.
Yes.
They watch out. So when they come back from village now, you go see them go through party.
Yes.
They go say they are star.
They come back.
They come back. Yes. When they come back, they can't give a chieftaincy title.
Then they go just call a star boy.
Star boy.
That's it.
Anyway, yesterday we been telling about one girl wait on to man.
Yes.
I beg Moko show them one picture, please. Can you people show them picture?
Help us look at it.
Help us analyze this picture. Yes. Just closely analyze
then
it.
Send us your tweet message.
Then send us your tweet message.
Analysis. Yes.
About this picture.
Yes.
Please, can you show them?
Yes.
Now this one, not be this one. I be saying Mona show me now. I said Mona show me the one where change from woman to man.
But this one come fine now. I don't.
No, but why the guy dump him?
I don't know. As she just decided, say she want to tone her skin.
What did these people do? No, but why they change that one now?
No, as you say, maybe nobody paying shop with that.
What did these people do?
No, he say this one be soldier before.
Okay.
So as in the Caribbean at that time, things bad for him. He can't decide say.
Wait, I don't understand. Na man in B before.
Yes, he can't do step-by-step procedure.
Now
so
woman in B so
turn, yes. So
wait. Now this man, be that girl?
Yes.
Jesus!
He first start like this, He look himself for mirror. This is a selfie for mirror. As in look, he say, oh no. I want to upgrade myself. So you know the first step, I do this one. He cut in hair. He can't clean him baby. I say, okay, I want to transform to a woman.
Jesus!
So this is the final production. Now he can one me, then he blonde her hair and decide say he want to wear chain and bustier. So you know if you see
hey!
You say, excuse me, dance.
I beg, una fit hey!
Yes.
Now this man will get this big face now. Now that girl will get that small face.
I seen a process.
Jesus!
Now him yours decide say, okay, I think I want to change my life.
He can't be like Tiwa Savage.
Yeah,
you should say Tiwa Savage not be man before.
No.
See the face of this girl.
No, again the hairstyle.
My brother, the world has come to an end, though.
If you see this kind of person, you know go tell her.
You want to know anything a man before?
No, you know go no.
Hey!
No way. You go just say, hello, sweet girl. You look so pretty. You know, can I buy you a drink? Or take you for some popcorns? Or, you know, buy you some coffee and tea. Before you know it.
You see, all this America, where people they go America, go London, go here. You go see, go club, go carry girl. You know this na man you carry.
Even for here now, how you go know say na
you didn't know that Nigeria now.
My brother, now for bad, you don't know. If you go to those kind of places and you see them, you know can know them again. You go see them. Last year they do Skalamabush everything.
You should say Monica not be man before.
I don't know.
Our Monica for here. Because we Monica thing they do. With them. Monica na man before.
I can be do possible.
Hey. Anyway, that one where our people mistakenly show now. That girl. This girl.
This one.
See her now. The boyfriend, I don't know. She bleached because of her boyfriend to satisfy the boyfriend.
It can't be like say she come our show. No be our background be that.
It be like our background. Show our background on.
So say she come, we don't even know say na she.
But I can't like her bleaching part.
No,
but true. I like the bleaching one. I like the bleached version.
Okay, Muna do or something. As when they say this picture, I bet Muna send us tweet message. Which one would I prefer, before or after? Forget the fact say the boyfriend madam say I don't want to do again. But send us tweet message. The before or the after, which one will Muna like Muna talk true?
See that girl. Eye come big pass.
He come fine now. He put eyeliner.
The old
this
one,
Indian
she drew
eyeliner.
eye like this. So even if the thing they up, you know, was same, but the other new one, the thing everything is the
talk
same.
through. Which one you prefer?
The yellow one makes sense.
For what? Easy to talk through.
No, but
my brother. But that guy will dump that babe.
Honest.
For that guy will dump that babe.
No, I should say the girl go to say, I bet I will find a bigger and better post than you.
My sister, leave her. If you are watching us now,
Console
if you are watching,
yourself.
console yourself.
Okay.
Has
One
no
man's
fear.
meat is another man's.
One man's meat is another man's puff puff.
Yes.
Or
One man's puff puff is another man's
something. I don't know, buns or something. I don't
Everything.
know. Don't worry yourself. Yes, come look for us for here for 267A at Mia Crescent, Victoria Island, Lagos.
Look for who?
Look for us here. Yes. Is it big? Go. We know something we'll go give you.
We'll give you better something.
We'll give you something. And then talking about dumping, one man and one woman don't agree say them go marry. Now they spend $48,000.
Plan with.
Calculate 40. Wait, they come. Wait, make I come on my phone.
No, you want to calculate it.
I want calculate them. I bet make I calculate them. $48,000.
48,000.
How much be dollars now?
2 something. We'll put them at 260.
No, dollars never is 260. Most say 220. 220.
How you take no say na 220?
I know now.
You see, but how much be dollar? You know?
Like 220 something.
Okay. You say 220 times $48,000. Jesus.
That's it. That amount, I forgot to Jesus.
10.5 million naira.
And then take the side say, okay,
Now,
they want to do, you know.
Wedding. They don't do everything. The girl, let's say now on the day of the wedding, now the guy.
Yes, now.
Do this thing.
The girl don't prepare, wear her cloth, come.
Wear her cloth, go church.
Yes.
Now, they don't, you know, say for American wedding, those of us, we don't get opportunity to look for MC American weddings in America. Hello, like that.
Which part of America?
America. You know that place where, if you turn like this, that part, if you just land the airport like this,
Yes.
if you turn like this, you get one place where they sell bend down select.
Okay.
Not be there. Okay. Just go front. Once you don't go front, you go see one woman. They call her Mama Ibuka.
Okay.
Mama Ibuka. She they sell for a boy from before.
Okay,
before,
so she can't carry
she can't get American lottery. Can't go. That her restaurant now. Now she they sell. So after her restaurant, the venue.
Okay, now you come. You do
that place I do the MC of the wedding.
Okay.
So they don't arrange food, keep finish, serve buffet, serve yourself.
Yes.
Now being the guy don't they prepare to take for go church. See her now. Now in the guy call and say, I bet me not vex.
Say I don't know, you know, but it's like
you know, I don't think I can do this.
Yeah, bro.
Now so the guy.
Don't worry, it's not you. It's me.
It's me. That's what they always say. Don't worry, it's not you, it's me.
It's me.
Now so the guy hang like that, the guy not show. Now the food where they don't cook, almost 10 million naira worth of food. Now they arrange like 2,600 homeless people will not get food to chop.
Imagine
arrange them, enter for inside
they go
a hall. My brother, people chop, drink champagne.
They're full.
Hey!
They go even pray for themselves.
For Nigeria, we can't see that kind of thing.
No.
Some people, highest, then go use that food to open restaurants, people that day.
Yes.
Highest, or then go sell them.
Or then go wrap and put for inside freezer.
No, they don't go.
Inside freezers.
They go eat the food for like 2 weeks.
And now, no say they don't save cost.
Anyway,
don't save cost.
we've been down there yesterday, so we get Ras Kimono for inside studio. We don't talk pass. Make we
No, before we go break, people don't send you say, make them tell us which one before or after.
Okay.
Kadiri say Team Black always.
Now because you black now.
Abi. Didi say, Neru that guy, wait on that babe, no one wahala ni. How in go get high BP because of other men's? What is fair? What for Kadiri?
Kadiri say, what is fair is something not too good.
Kadiri,
you black, and I make you the talk. Team Black, we don't hear now.
I don't know.
And then I love the fair fashion. She's more attractive. Thank you.
Yes.
I remember Bass more chicken in break when they come back.
Come back.
Rumba Style Ras Kimono. Now so they call Ras Kimono, you know, here for Jamaica. Anyway, Ras Kimono go there here now. You go come give us Jamaica.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.